सही high touch. There's machinery. That's a high touch excavator. This one is a small one. The other one is bigger than this. And basically, this is the fields there. And just routine work for them. They daily came here and loading trolleys and carry the mud to the target where people order them. One of my friends is there on the bike. He's waiting for me. Okay, let's record from the other way. Oh. If you are new here, so do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, see this thing. So let's go up. Oh, there's one loader as well. Can you see? Oh, what the loader is? Maybe they are also here for loading, taking mud. I don't know. Let's see what's he doing now. One thing I want to tell you guys, ignore my rough English and just enjoy the video. And I welcome to you guys to my on my channel. This channel basically about trucking, machinery, tractor, trolley, loading, unloading on the road. This man, you know, on the loader thing, he's one. Yeah, sure, he is here for mud. So I think it's need just 2 passes. If this excavator, you know, high touch, the small one, with just 2 passes the loader will be full. I hope so. But it's the time for lunch. If you can see, the people are there. So they are having lunch now. So after lunch they will load this loader. That trolley is coming. Oh, you can see. Oh shit. So let's go up there. The upper view you will enjoy from up. Another trolley is there. Yeah, that's the upper view. I'm going more up then. So we're on, okay? Don't skip the video and don't leave. Eh? Watch full video. You will watch from the up views, then how excavator loading the trolley from up. So after lunch they are gonna start again. Oh, that thing, it's too high. It's too high. That's the wheat crop, yeah. So finally the place. Yes. Yeah. That's a place. Still they are having lunch. There's the bigger one, excavator, and the trolley is there, ready for loading. You can see this mud is too high. They finished the all mud, man. Ignore my rough English. Okay. So see, that's view. Till then they are having lunch. I hope. These people are talking something, I think. He's telling him that load the loader thing for me, you know, the small rickshaw thing in red color. Let's see it. Yeah, he's the man going to load the loader. Oh, this view is not fine, like because of sunlight. So I think it's need just to pass. I hope so. One pass. Yes, two pass. Three pass. Yeah, it's full by three pass. I think basically it needs just two pass. You know, two pocket is enough for the loader thing. But I think the person working on excavator is not professional. So let's go the other way. There's another trolleys coming. Yeah. Oh shit. I hope they are going to load it now. I hope so. These two trolley waiting for the excavator person. When he came and to load these trolleys, let's see. Yeah. I think this view is fine. Just too, deep. See. The excavator man is coming. You can see here. Now he's gonna start the work again. That's a Hitachi, yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, show begin. Okay, dear viewers, tell me, do you like the video? Did you enjoy? So do subscribe, hit the like button, press the bell icon for new updates, for more amazing content on my channel. You guys are gonna watch the trucking, tractors, trolley on the road, in the field, farms, excavator machine, different type machinery, everything in one channel. They are doing really great job. Really great job. Another trolley came here, and he's going the other way. He will be loaded by the small Hitachi. Okay, so I think the trolley is gonna be full, so let's go back. I hope so you guys are gonna enjoy the video, and ignore my rough English because it's not my native language, but I love to speak English because it's the international language and our video can go viral on the worldwide. So let's go to this man. He's talking with my friend. So that's the two tangent. This thing. Be careful when you came here. Now it's his turn, man.